Okay, so I decided to make a video of my kitty's paw prints. I go along the driveway and I keep wondering where he goes at night. So we can see that he came from behind the house and I saw them in the driveway. They look so cute. So I started following it. And let's see. Yep, he goes across the street. And I don't know how far I can go because I'm on my pajamas. But let's see. This is so cute. Because he goes, and I can see them. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. My slippers. All the way up in the neighbor's driveway. I don't know what he's gonna do there, but there he goes. And then, yes, I'm walking in the street in my pajamas. Okay, so I believe that these ones are the ones, yeah, those are my footprints. Coming back. So then, I don't know, I think he went, oh, here he is. And these are Dave's paw prints. He was cleaning the car. And, okay, back to kitty prints. Going up in the steps. And I guess he rested here for a little bit. Or he could have just kept on going. Let's see. Yeah, maybe he kept going. He came here. Because that's the way to go around the house. Back to the back window where he comes in from. So, yeah, that's, I guess, part of an answer to a mystery. Where does the kitty go when he goes outside?